Good morning everyone, it's Louise from Eleanor Grace here. I'm just showing a little video on the forthcoming virtual workshops that I'm making at the moment, which are very nearly finished and will be released in the next couple of weeks. These workshops show you how to make either, for a beginner, it would be a bookmark like this, and for an intermediate stitcher, then to make these lovely stitch cases, and sort of going through the whole process of the composition, how you put it all together, and how you get from beginner's stage to this. Just to show you a couple of examples, this is a one in progress at the moment, which is going to be a bookmark. So that is there, and then this is a stitch case in progress, and I show you every stage of how to put it together, what sort of stitches to use, how to do those stitches, and how to end up with something that you're really proud of and that you might give away as a present, or you might even keep for yourself. So these are priced very reasonably at just £10 UK sterling. Each for the beginner and for the intermediate class. So this one's the beginner for the bookmark, and the intermediate would be the stitch case. So if you are interested, then please do join my Facebook group, Slow Stitching by Hand with Eleanor Grace, for lots of tips and extra tips and tricks there. But you can also comment on this video if you are interested. If you could just leave a comment saying beginner or intermediate. If you wanted both, then of course you can do that as well. And as I say, I'm trying to keep the cost down on this because we're all going through tough times, but it will be like the workshops that I do in person, where I go through every stage of creating this bookmark, and you can always ask questions as well. And the videos, once they're there, yours forever. You can stop, pause, try bits again and again until you feel confident with them, and you can watch them over and over again. So if you're interested, do join our little slow stitching group on Facebook, Slow Stitching by Hand with Eleanor Grace, or leave a comment on here. Thanks very much. Bye.